Hello friends, welcome in this sketchware tutorial. In this tutorial I'm going to show you that how can you get the APK file of your app in sketchware. Of sketchware app, get your APK file. So at first I am taking an app created by me once in my YouTube channel. I have given the tutorial of this app. So I'm opening this app. Here you go. Here is the app. Now I am going to run this. Just wait a while. I am pausing the video. Here you see the app is installed successfully. Now I am opening the app. Here is the app. And now the app is actually here. You see here. Now I am going to get this app in my files app. So at first you open your internet connection and go to Play Store. Now search here File Explorer. Now here you see here are so many apps, but you have to search here ES File Explorers. Here you see this app ES File Explorer Android Manager File 2021. You have to download this app. Now I am opening the app because it is downloaded in my phone. Now just wait a while. Ads. Now here you see here is the app. Now you have to tap on this place installed apps. Now here go to your app. Here you see uh, this is the app. This is the new project 68 because here you see you can see this new project 68. So this is the file, actual file. Now I'm clicking on this app and tapping on this button. Here you see, now go to your file manager and go to your internal storage, and then go to the app backup. Here is the app backup. Now here you see open settings.apk, and this is the actual app we wanted. Here you see this is open settings. So thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe this channel. If you like this video, please like it, and thank you.